And today I have the pleasure of going through a presentation which will run through with you the description of the bond markets, primary and secondary markets, the participants in the markets, and then at the end we'll go and do a walkthrough through a typical bond issue from the eyes of an issuer. We've split up our presentation into 5 sections. First, we'll cover a general description of the bond primary markets, some of the price-setting mechanisms that issuers have at their disposal, and then the choice of markets which issuers have. The second part of the presentation will cover in a little more detail the roles and responsibilities of each of the market participants in the primary market. Then we'll go into talk a little bit about the secondary markets. And then finally, we've split up a walkthrough of a typical bond issue into 2 different parts. So to begin with the bond primary market, I'll start with the issuers. A little bit later, we'll cover each of the individual participants. I guess another way of looking at this picture is if you consider the issuers are those that need the money and are looking to borrow. And then on the other side, we have the investors, who are those that have the money and are willing to invest for a return. And in the middle, we have all the people that facilitate this need to borrow and need to invest.